When I came across this remote control LEGO race car from 1998, my first thought, this thing's ugly. My second thought, this thing needs to be a remote control LEGO Batmobile. New ideas emerge every day, but having an idea is the easy part. I believe that together we can turn our creative ideas into reality. I'm Boone Langston, creating all the things. Pretty much every LEGO Batmobile is just black, or black with a little bit of red, or maybe black with like gold wheels. Because this LEGO set 5600 has yellow, bright yellow wheels, I wanted to go with something a little more bright. There are a lot of, examples of Batmobiles from history that are blue. Comic book Batmobiles, cartoon Batmobiles from the 1970s, the Superpowers Batmobile from the 1980s, a lot of other Batmobiles that are based on that old comic book color scheme of blue, yellow, some black, some gray. That's what we're going to do with this. I've collected some specific LEGO pieces to use in this build. This is a nice big printed LEGO piece from one of the LEGO Juniors Batman sets. Here are a couple of large dragon wings that were also used in one of the early Ultimate Collector Series Batmobiles. I'd like to work these in. I think that would be really cool. I have a little bag of Bat logos here. These are printed Batman logos, also from LEGO Juniors sets. We've got a 2x2 round, and I've got a handful of those. I might use those on the side of the Batmobile. And I've also got, I've got a 2x2 square tile that is printed with the Bat logo, and a 2x4 tile printed with the Bat logo. And I also have, these two kind of yellow windshield things. I think I'm going to use those next to each other to kind of simulate that double bubble thing that's sort of a throwback Batmobile style. I've also been saving quite a bit of blue and gray and black for this build. So let's tear this thing apart and get going. So let's get started. So let's get started. So I'm pretty happy with the side of the car that I've got going on here. This whole side will be blue, and then the black of the bat wing will continue in this black stripe that comes forward, and that'll stick up, kind of like the bat ears on the bat wing. The whole center of the car will be this dark gray with this logo in the middle and this kind of thing going on here. Now I just really have to figure out how this center is going to be filled in. Cleaned up my space a little bit, and I'm pretty pleased with how this thing is looking. Before we pop batteries in and take her for a spin, she needs some passengers. So first, I'm going to start with Robin from the LEGO Batman movie, and he's going to go here. And since we've got the blue, gray, yellow color scheme here, I'm going to steal the Batman minifigure from this LEGO Juniors Batman and Superman vs. Lex Luthor set. Now this project was made possible by my supporters over at Patreon.com. This stuff wouldn't be possible without some people saying, you know what, I love this kind of video, and I'm gonna support that. So if you want to check out my member rewards over at patreon.com/Boone, I'd love to invite you to check out what's going on over there. Thank you all so much for watching. Please subscribe if you want to see more projects like this. Play on Make Believers.